Hi everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm Danielle LaRocca and I'm here to talk to you. So today we are going to be doing a Ulta unboxing. So if you want to see what I got in my box, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so before we hop into the video, I just wanted to say thank you for stopping by my channel. I don't know how you found me. I don't know if you're part of my family, but regardless, thank you so much for checking out my channel. Here on my channel, I do beauty and lifestyle, a lot of unboxings, tutorials, reviews, just some fun stuff. I welcome you to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out on anything that I put out next. So, without further ado, let's open my box. So the first thing that I have in my box, and I love this brand so much, I had the moisturizer, and so I wanted to try their face wash, and what I'm talking about is Kiehls, and this is the Ultra Facial Cleanser for all skin types. Now, I ran out of my moisturizer. It was the Ultra Facial Moisturizer. It was really thick and hydrating in a good way. It did not leave my skin like oily or dry or anything. It was amazing. And so I really wanted to try a cleanser because I just ran out of some face wash and I thought I would reorder and get this. So I will let you know how I feel about this after I try it, and of course I will link everything in my description box below for you guys. So the next product, which I am kind of obsessed with setting powders, and there was a brand that I really wanted to try because I haven't tried it yet. I mean, I think I had a little sample one before, but I honestly haven't really used it because the sample is so small that I can't even get like a beauty blender in there, and when I try to dump it out onto something flat to use my beauty blender, it's not really coming out of the jar, so I haven't used the sample, but so I bought the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder, and I got this, I believe, in the shade Translucent Light, I guess. So this is what the component looks like. And there we go. And it says perfect setting powder. Yeah, so the perfect setting powder. And I'm super excited to try this. I've heard nothing but good things about this. I personally love Cover FX. I have like a contour and highlight palette from them. It's more of like a creamy one. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about or if you have it, but I'm super excited to try this. Let me know in the comments below if you have this or if you've tried it. I'm always loving to hear your guys' comments. Now, with the purchase of the Cover FX, it said I got a free gift that I can choose, and so I chose the Cover FX Water Cloud Primer. I have not tried this before, and like I said, I love Cover FX, so if this ends up working for me, I will probably buy it because I love primers as well. So it says refreshes all skin types with cooling effect, helps defend against pollution and blue light rays, extends makeup wear. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. A weightless cooling mousse that refreshes skin and helps defend against pollution and blue light rays. Let's see what it looks like. So it's just a primer. Interesting. This is what it looks like. Is there a scent to it? I'm a sucker for scents. Ooh, that's like really liquidy. Okay. Yeah, so I will definitely give this a try. Apply evenly to clean, moisturize skin prior to makeup application. So I'll let you guys know how this works too. So the next thing I got was kind of random. I was just thinking because I have a ton of nail polishes and I really need to go through those and like get rid of the old ones and just clean out the things that I don't really use. So I was scrolling through some of the nail polishes, and of course OPI always catches my eye. So I got this, and the color that I got is Susie will Quetcha later. That's cute. And this is a long wear lacquer. But yeah, I think this color is really pretty. So I got this because I have a bunch of pinks, but I can never find the perfect like pink shade. And to me, like, this was pretty close to it. I'm excited to see what this looks like. And since we're in quarantine, I really need to do my nails. Just cracked and all kinds of weird stuff. And I have not done my nails in a really long time. So I thought this would be fun to add to my nail polish collection. If you guys want to see like a nail polish collection video, let me know. I haven't done one of those yet. I feel like it's kind of overwhelming just because I have so many shades. And a lot of them are old. And some of them I don't know how old they are. So but let me know if you want to see a nail video. The next thing I got, I'm super excited. It's long overdue. I've wanted this since it came out. So I did get the Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2. I haven't opened it yet. I have been refraining myself from opening it. So let's do it together and check out all of its glory. She's got a picture on the back of herself. So this is what it looks like. The top is like this silver color. There's no shade names on the back. Oop. The plastic thing fell out. Oh my goodness. It's just as beautiful in person as it is on like Instagram and stuff. This is what it looks like. So it says, to all my loving subscribers who have supported me all these years, this one's for you. And finally, well, I feel like she put the shades in the actual palette before, but so you got all the shade names there. And I know she went over like the meaning of all of her shade names in her video release. So yeah, I'm excited for this, and I will be doing another YouTube video using this palette, so please stay tuned, and like I said, turn on that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of the videos that I put out next. I've been using her old palette a lot, so I'm super excited for this. The next one I got, because I keep seeing this everywhere and I don't have it, so I wanted it. This is the Revolution, so Makeup Revolution London X Alexis Stone, the Instinct palette. So let's go ahead and I'll show it off for you guys. Ooh, it's nice and thick. This is like a heavy duty palette. I like Makeup Revolution. I think they're a great brand. I haven't tried their eyeshadows, so I'm really excited for this. I used their concealer before and it was amazing. I want to buy it again. So of course it comes with the little protective thing that's on here. Pretty good. It's like taped on the sides. Wow, that's gorgeous. All of these colors. Beautiful. You got all the colors of the rainbow except for orange. Well, you got some like reddish colors, reds, pinks, greens, blues. It's beautiful. I just hope it's as pigmented as it is. Let's give a couple a try. So let's try this pink up here. Ooh. Oh yeah. That's gonna be awesome. Okay, so again, I will be doing another YouTube video using this palette, so I am open to all suggestions. Which colors would you like to see? If there's any particular looks you would like me to do, please leave them in the comments below. Okay, and last but definitely not least is when I bought this palette, it said that I got a free gift on the website, so I got this. And this is again by Makeup Revolution, and this is the Brave Spirit palette. So it has, and there's a protective covering, but it has these shades. Got silver, this like peachy color. These are really pretty too. Let's try this blue shade. This cool like blue. See if it's pigmented. Yeah. Oh yeah, this looks, that's pretty. Very nice. So that is everything that I have in my Ulta box. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video of this Ulta unboxing. I really appreciate it. Again, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. You can easily subscribe to my channel when my face pops up down below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the sides and turn on that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of the videos that I put out next. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one.